you'll give me 30 seconds. Sir, you were speaking and I was not interrupting. Your knowledge is dodgy, but your physical fitness is suspect.
सबसे पहले घबराना नहीं.
Oh my God!
Say something to Major Janjua. I want to say something to Major Janjua. If Major Janjua, you'll give me 30 seconds. Sir, you were speaking and I was not interrupting. Your knowledge is dodgy, but your physical fitness is suspect. You know, when I see you, I don't see an army officer. Your physical fitness is suspect. You know, and your knowledge is dodgy. I mean, you've been saying things that only a drug-addled mind would say, sir. You're saying stuff like, we have won all the wars against India. How did Bangladesh come into being? Weren't you thrown out from Kargil? Weren't you pushed back from Aknur in 1965? What are you saying? Which arm of the army were you from? Major Janjua, which arm of the army were you from, sir? If I may ask.
Oh, really?
Clerical
really?
part of the army.
So
I'm asking you which arm. I'm asking you your arm, sir. Please state your regiment.
I am not only.
What is your regiment?
Okay.
Which regiment are you from?
I am from the Sherdil regiment that is giving you nightmares even today. Right?
Sir, please don't speak in code names. Tell me, are you from the infantry? Are you from the infantry?
Why did you
Are you from the infantry, sir?
Why did you abscond on medical grounds? Why did you abscond on the medical grounds?
Listen. You look like a halwai. Look at your face. You say you're an army officer. You look like a halwai. You're fat. You've got triple chins here. शर्म करो थोड़ी सी मेजर साहब. शर्म करो. हलवाई लगते हो शक्ल से. आप लगते हो फौजी. मैं तमीज से बात कर रहा हूँ. आपको अगर हजम नहीं होता तो बैठिए सर. कुर्ता पहन के ऐसे कढ़ाई में कचौड़ियां तल रहे हो यार. Look at this face. Look at his cheeks. They are coming out of the frame. Look at his double chin and triple chin. Look at his tummy.
So is this your argument? Is this your argument?
No, this is my argument because you're not an army officer. Listen, Major Janjua, no.
Your air defense system.
Let's come back on the debate.
Listen, I just want to tell you something. If you get personal, I'll take off your trousers.
Come on, Shiva is also on the debate right now. Come on, let's talk about personal. No personal comments on the debate. Let's hit them on the facts, please. No, let's speak on the facts. No personal comments, Gaurav. Not necessary. Not necessary. Remind them of what we did after Pulwama. Remind them of what we did after Pulwama, but we don't need to make personal attacks. Gaurav Arya, you can debate with Kamal Chima because clearly Major Janjua cannot take you on, and I want to remind No, one second. I want to just remind the Pakistanis of their history. It is important that you learn. Just they don't have much of a history, I understand, but you know. There you go. I'm asking Kamal Chima.
History. I want to mention something about history, Arnab, if you permit. History. Pakistan's history I want to mention. In 1965, Pakistan fed the churan to its own soldiers that one Pakistani Muslim soldier is equal to 10 Hindu Indian soldiers. इन्होंने बोला कि एक पाकिस्तानी फौजी जो है वो 10 हिंदू सैनिकों के बराबर है. ये घुसाए अंदर. इनको वहां पे जाट मिल गए. जाटों ने ऐसा रगड़ाया मार के जाटों ने इनका तुम्बा बना दिया. ठीक है. ये अपने झूठ बोलते हैं लोगों को. हम ये कर देंगे वो कर देंगे. They have been shamed so many times. They have been shamed. Just look at what Major Janjua is saying. You have not won a single war. Sir, if we have not won a single war, why does Major Janjua need a visa to go to Bangladesh? Tell me this. Why does Major Janjua need a visa? Why do you need a visa to go to Bangladesh? Tell me this. Bangladesh जाने के लिए visa क्यों चाहिए मेजर साहब, ये बताइए पहले.
And you don't need a visa to go to Kashmir, and you still can't go there. This is what your state of affairs is. You put 800,000 troops there.
I went there last month. I was there last month.
800,000
What are you talking? What are you saying? Major Janjua, you're shaming the Pakistani army. Major Janjua, you're shaming the Pakistani army. Major Janjua, you're shaming
No, 1 minute. Just people. I'm coming in again, and I feel, Gaurav, that the point that you made there. 1 minute, Gaurav, 1 minute. You see the point made there. The point you made that they have communalized everything. They have communalized their army.
Absolutely.
Well, when you said that, in the Indian army, we have secular traditions. They have communalized everything. Now, 1 minute. Now, Kamar, please. Kamar, the moment I spoke to you, the electricity went off in Pakistan. 1 minute. Okay, it's back. Now listen to me. Listen to me, Kamar. Listen to me, Kamar. Kamar, 1 minute. Kamar, listen to me. Kamar, don't be anxious. Sometimes when I look at you,
I'm not speaking yet.
I only see. I don't see you. I see anxiety.
There is no
I see worry.
you people.
And I see
Why don't you bring
that
some
hidden
sensible
anger.
person
You know,
like
when
Praveen
you
Swani on the
after
show?
all, recently.
On the
You
show?
have no answers.
Why do
You
you,
have
no,
no
why do you
answers.
invite people
no.
like
And arguments.
Gaurav Arya and
Who?
Tariq Fateh?
Who Praveen
What
Swami,
credibility do they have?
Praveen, who? I don't know these people. You want me to
Gaurav
invite
Arya,
people? You think
Gaurav Arya,
Pakistanis will decide who I invite? You think Pakistanis will decide who I invite?
Arnab,
No, 1 minute.
please.
Because
Arnab,
he
10
is the
seconds,
senior
10
element
seconds.
in the Indian
Arnab, 10
Only
seconds.
person who
10 seconds.
Two people,
10 seconds, Arnab, 10 seconds.
Gaurav and Kamar
Yeah,
Chima is still not speaking.
10 seconds.
Gaurav.
10 seconds.
Yeah.
Major Janjua,
Because
Major Janjua,
Praveen Swani
I want to tell
tells you
Major Janjua
that
something.
the
Hold on,
CDS
Talk to
listen to
us.
me.
is a complete
Listen to me.
idiot.
Major, okay, I'll tell you. Major Janjua, let me tell you something. You say who invited Gaurav Arya? Gaurav Arya is the senior consulting editor of Republic Media Network. We have invited you. You don't invite me. This is my channel. I work here. All right. So don't tell us who to invite, who not to invite. I'm the senior consulting
Well said,
editor, strategic affairs of the Republic Media Network.
And let me one more. Just a minute. One minute. Major Janjua, 1 minute. Major Janjua, 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute, Major Janjua. Major Janjua, 1 minute. आपको एक बात बताओ. Yeah, let's talk decently. You know, my friend Gaurav and I, we were together in college. We know the finest traditions of debating. We are from Delhi University. We are almost batchmates from college. So he doesn't need to invite me. I don't need to invite him. We are friends, brothers, and nationalists. We're going to teach you a lesson. Now, look at Gaurav. You know, when we were in college, remember when we used to debate, we used to look at the other side and we used to say, Gaurav, look at the other side's body language. They've lost before they start the debate. Look at Kamar tonight. Kamar is lost. He doesn't know what to say. He's thinking what you're going to ask him. I know. He's thinking, what if Arnab asks me, why did we go begging to the World Bank for $800 million? Well, because you're a country of beggars. It's an unfortunate reality. You went, Kamar, you went begging. Kamar, I am calling you on Indian television. I'm calling you. Kamar's video is also frozen. They don't have bandwidth. They don't have electricity. Now Mona, what do I do? You're a country.
So bad.
I'm making a serious point. You're a country of beggars who went begging to the World Bank on the 30th of June for $800 million.
I've been quietly listening.
No, Mona, let me complete. You can tell me I'm factually wrong. Mona, my counter to you. 1 minute. No, 1 second. Now, my question is, did you or did you not tell China that please, we need 1 more year to pay you back what we owe? After that, did you not go to the World Bank saying we have to pay China? Now you need to give us money so we can pay China $800 million. Did you or did you not do that, Mona? Do you understand? Did you or did you not do that?
China and Pakistan are your bad dream. They come in your dreams all the time.
Mona.
We don't need to understand this thing.
Country. It's an ally. It's an all-weather friend. We may ask them anything. China is an all-weather friend. We may ask them anything for anything at all. I mean, this is our business with them. Who are you?
लाहौर का एयरपोर्ट, कराची का एयरपोर्ट, इस्लामाबाद का एयरपोर्ट, मुल्तान का एयरपोर्ट, सारे मोटरवेज, चाइना, ये कैसा बिरादर मुल्क है? ये कैसे भाई है जो पूरा मुल्क अब तक खा गए?
आपका घर तो नहीं रखा।
आपका सुनिए, हमारा हम गिरवी रखने वाली वो नहीं है हम लोग। नहीं, आपका रख दिया ना मोना जी, आपका घर रख दिया ना गिरवी। आपका सुनिए एक मिनट नहीं सुनिए, हमारे एक में मोना जी एक बात बताता हूँ, हमारे लाखों नहीं, हमारे करोड़ों सोते हो सड़कों पे, लेकिन हमने अपना मुल्क गिरवी नहीं रखा, हमने भीख नहीं मांगा। हमारे करोड़ों सोते हो सड़कों पे, करोड़ों भूखे सोते हो मोना जी, लेकिन हम लोगों ने अपना मुल्क जो है गिरवी नहीं रखा। हमारा दिल्ली का एयरपोर्ट गिरवी नहीं है, आपके इस्लामाबाद का एयरपोर्ट गिरवी है, ये जाके देखिए, हमें मत सिखाइएगा। आप लोग, अरे सुनिए, वेजिटेबल वेंडर सुनिए, मोना जी आपका एयरपोर्ट गिरवी है कि नहीं है? आपका जो F9 का पार्क है वो गिरवी है कि नहीं है? मुल्तान का एयरपोर्ट गिरवी है कि नहीं है? लाहौर फैसलाबाद का मोटरवे गिर रही है कि नहीं है?
Okay, Sanju Verma will
वीडियो की
respond.
बिल्डिंग गिर रही है कि नहीं है? पाकिस्तान बिल्डिंग गिर रही है कि नहीं है?
संजू
गिर रही है कि नहीं है? अगर मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूं
Now we know your words.
How was the food?
You surrender.
Doing it. Stop it now. This is not the time to do.
How
Let
was
me
the
tell you,
food? ये तो
the
बताए
time
ना.
is
No, you have
gone.
to share with us.
Pakistan military
I've
is
lost.
now very professional. We have shown you how we could finish
Brigadier
terrorism in
Saab,
Pakistan.
Professional.
What all problems you are
बातों से
creating.
नहीं
We don't allow
मानते।
anyone else now.
इन्होंने
Don't
लता
doubt like a
चाहिए,
fool. I
लता।
know you very well.
They don't understand decency and particularly adab.
You need this language. This gentleman need this language. You
ब्रिगेडियर
love
साहब,
it
ये
here.
लातों के
I
भूत
should know what
बातों
are the
से नहीं
manners.
मानते। इनको decent
What is
तरीके से नहीं।
jail की?
जरा
ला-
बहुत
Just
लातों
tell him
के
it's
भूत
jail
बातों
uniform.
को ये नहीं मानते हैं. बातों के भूत ना तो
अच्छा।
मानते हैं. He should understand. And he, by the way, the
Who's
Muslim.
there?
की हो रहा है जैसे तमाशा हो रहा
Yeah.
है।
He should know
और
how
क्या
to
आसमान से
generate
उतरे?
discussion. He doesn't know how to
Let other
generate a
people
discussion.
talk.
This is not the way. You want to talk logic.
What way is
Why
up to
don't
your
you-
way?
Why Pakistan should have run? Where are your air alert system? And then, of course, why Pakistan should send across the drones? What for purpose?
Harris Savaz, I'm told that.
I can't understand. What language is he
Our
speaking in?
Islamist want peace.
What language
Yeah,
are you
I-
speaking in, sir?
You
समझ नहीं आ
know
रही.
what language I'm speaking. You deserve this language.
Yeah.
Forget about it.
I mean,
But what I'm talking
no,
about
please
is, please
share with us.
Don't mislead
This
your
peculiar
people.
language is
Don't
very
mislead your
interesting.
people. My language is
Mislead-
intended for you only, not for anybody else. Okay?
No.
The point is why Pakistan should talk. Let's move on to the topic. Why Pakistan
You
should
are
send
worried with
drones to
Mufti
India
Bahini.
when we are talking about peace? You could not drop. Where the debris of those drones? Do you know where they've fallen? You don't have. And what is the purpose? We want peace. My Prime Minister, Chief Minister have said many times, we want peace, and we are having a ceasefire, and you are talking about provocation. You always say the drama when you have economic problem, you have got an internal problem, you've got a COVID-19 problem, you have a Kashmir problem, you blame Pakistan.
Why
That's
are you
we
getting
do.
so angry?
Please change your habits. Change your this stage.
No.
Everybody knows, and for the
Hey,
whole world knows.
why
Okay,
are you
so-
so angry?
He's
I-
angry
what is
because,
it?
if I may, Tariq Fateh, I think I have been extremely unfair. He suffers from post-traumatic stress disorder of some kind, which I must empathize with you because
You always use
because
the
you
wrong
were
language of Pakistanis. I don't
no,
know
but
what you
no
are
wrong.
doing.
You were part of the surrendered Pakistan army. There's no shame. Gaurav Arya, there is no shame. He must say so. He must say so. He must talk from experience.
Talk now.
But I'll tell you why he
Absolutely,
can't
yes.
say so.
Coward army.
He was sent there.
Your people are
All
not
of these
happy with you.
Pakistanis were
Talk about
sent
you.
there
Want
to
talk about it.
change the
Then
very
I
nature
know
of
Jan
Bengali
Bhakti, what he
people.
said. I remember Jan
They
Bhakti
said in
words
one
when he said
generation we will
that
change
we-
the
our
very
soldiers didn't have
outlook
chappals, they didn't have
and
shoes,
genetic order
they
of the
didn't have
Bengali
weapons,
people.
And he was talking,
They taught you a lesson.
I can tell
मुंह
you the
की
clip of
खानी
Jan
पड़ी.
Bhakti. So I think मुंह की खानी आपको पड़ी.
Yeah.
I know what is your word.
अरे सर
That's
मुक्ति
what
वाहिनी से
don't talk
क्यों
like
डरते हो? मैं खुद था.
Mukti
I'm a
Bahini
Mukti Bahini.
thousands and 1,000 kilometers away. Now come to Pakistan. We'll tell you, teach you a lesson.
Yeah, why?
And you know
That
this
is,
army.
it is Bangladesh that made Pakistan, not you. In Punjab, you were sitting making Pakistan.
Now you know it. Don't.
Oh, come on, you're a British army. You take orders from Queen Victoria.
Don't go in rhetorics.
You have a Karaiki army, bhai. Whoever pays the money, you follow.
What happened to you?
You are literally,
try to do it.
you
Now
literally
tell
an
me,
army
we have sent a drone to tell
that
you.
works
Yeah.
for